Aloha, fellow travelers. I think we're going to slow down a little bit with this one and soak up the sun in the Hawaiian city of Honolulu. Honolulu is one of those elusive vacation spots where everyone wants to go, but to get there is just so daunting. Located on the south shore of Oahu Island, the city is the westernmost and southernmost major US city, which is pretty cool. Easily the most populous city in the state of Hawaii, Honolulu is rich with natural beauty, a tropical climate, and amazing beaches dotted with swaying palm trees. With having a great natural harbor, the city used to be a monarchy ruled by kings and queens, which fittingly resulted in the city having the only royal palace that was built on US soil in the 19th century right downtown, the Iolani Palace. There are two major natural attractions in Honolulu, and it's not hard to pick out either of them. It all depends on what you feel like doing, either relaxing in the sun or trekking in the jungle. First, and likely my favorite, is hitting up Waikiki. Most people think this is a city, but it's actually a neighborhood. And it's the neighborhood. Shopping, eating, and nightlife consume the streets of the area, but the staple is by far the Waikiki beach. Palm trees and high-rise hotels loom from above, while a gentle rush of breaking waves hit from the front. Here is where you want to try your hand at surfing. Well, if you're feeling adventurous, that is. The waves are gentler here than at other beaches such as Ala Moana or the Bonsai Pipeline. This offers a great atmosphere for beginners looking to hang 10 for that first time, or just watch everyone else while sipping back on your favorite drink. And second, we have the Diamond Head State Monument. Lean back and look way up to the sky because that's where this volcanic cone is at. Hiking to the rim is totally encouraged, and there's nothing dangerous inside the cone. In fact, there are government buildings housed at the bottom of the crater. The hike to the top isn't that long, and there are plenty of stairs and trails to help you on your way. One somber attraction worth mentioning is the Pearl Harbor Memorial Sites. Dedicated to remembering Japan's attack on December 7, 1941, prompting the US's entry into World War II. The memorial is a stark reminder of the past and should be included due to the significant importance in the state's history. After that, maybe a few well-known locations are in order to fill your culinary needs. Chinatown is one of the largest and most authentic in the US, and I also recommend hitting up the Aloha Tower. Topping out at 184 feet tall, the tower still functions as a lighthouse you can climb and is complete with amazing views and a marketplace at its base where shopping and food are available. Or maybe before, hit up the Manoa Falls hiking trail for a refreshing dip below the Manoa Falls. Okay, Honolulu hits good and would not disappoint by any stretch of the imagination. Now to get there and enjoy the other Hawaiian islands as well. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick postcard and drop a like and a subscribe so more just like it make it your way. Thanks again for watching.